Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Counter-Strike 2 on Chromebook. Open Linux, Beta, and enable GPU support, then install Steam for Linux, download Counter-Strike 2, and configure graphics to low or medium for smoother frame rates. Start by enabling Linux Beta in Settings, then update packages with terminal commands. Install Steam for Linux, sign in, and enable Proton for Windows compatibility. Adjust download location to internal storage or external SSD to save space. If you're finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe so I can keep making easy guides. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice to make your car smell great after long LAN trips. It's a small upgrade that feels luxurious. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Tweak in-game settings like resolution and texture detail to boost frames. Use wired Ethernet or a good Wi-Fi band to reduce ping, and close apps that use CPU or network. Consider using a cooling pad for longer sessions and map controls to your Chromebook keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.